Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your Facebook account using the mobile app. If you've decided to step away from Facebook and remove your account completely, I'll walk you through every step. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app. Once you're in the app, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then tap on Icon Settings in top right. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the Account Center section and tap on Personal Details. Now, scroll down and tap on Personal Details again. Then find and tap on Account Ownership and Control. Under Account Ownership and Control, tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Next, tap on your account name to proceed. Here, you'll see options to either deactivate or permanently delete your account. Turn on the option for Delete Account, then tap Continue. Facebook will ask you why you're deleting your account. Choose a reason from the options provided, and then tap Continue. At this point, you'll have the option to download your Facebook data before deletion. If you'd like to save your information, tap Download Your Information. Otherwise, scroll down and tap Continue. Now, Facebook will ask for your password to confirm the deletion. Enter your password and tap Continue. To finish the process, tap Delete Account to confirm your decision. And that's it. Your Facebook account is now set to be permanently deleted. Remember, Facebook gives you a 30-day grace period to change your mind and recover your account if you decide to come back. After that, your account and all its data will be gone for good. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.